Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create or find and use the sound effects in the CapCut Mobile. So here, what you need to do is add your video and then just find the right sound effects to create an immersive video. So here, click on the add audio on CapCut and then click on the sound effects. Then here you can see there are lots of here you can just swipe through the category to find the right sound effect for you, or you can just click on the search column to find it. So for example, I'm going to add the raining sound effect. Click on enter. So just find the one that you want. Okay. I'm going to add the first one. Click on the plus icon. So just fit to fit with the video like this. And that's it. This will be the result. So if the video already have the sound, you can just click on mute. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.